Resample irregularly spaced data in pandas. Is it somehow possible to use resample on irregularly spaced data? I know that the documentation says it's for resampling of regular time series data, but I wanted to try if it works on irregular data, too. Maybe it doesn't, or maybe I am doing something wrong. In my real data, I have generally 2 samples per hour, the time difference between them ranging usually from 20 to 40 minutes. So I was hoping to resample them to a regular hourly series. To test if I am using it right, I used some random list of dates that I already had, so it may not be a best example but at least a solution that works for it will be very robust. Here it is. Now I want to resample these for example monthly. But I get type error column only valid with date time index, time delta index or period index, but got an instance of range index. Unless I did something wrong with assigning the date time index, it must be due to the irregularity. So my questions are, am I using it correctly? If 1 equals true, is there no straightforward way to resample the data? I only see a solution in first reindexing the data to get finer intervals, interpolate the values in between and then reindexing it to hourly interval. If it is so, then a question regarding the correct implementation of reindex will follow shortly.
You don't need to explicitly use datetime index, just set time as the index and pandas will take care of the rest, so long as your time column has been converted to datetime using pd.to_datetime or some other method. Additionally, you don't need to resample each column individually if you're using the same method, just do it on the entire data frame. The resulting output
irregularly